Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we are going to know the color's name. Pink color, orange color, purple color, yellow color, green color, light green color and olive color. Now let's learn the alphabet A to Z and numbers counting 1 to 10. First A for ant. Next kids, B for book. Next C for car. Next kids, D for dolphin. Next kids, E for eye. Next F for fan. Next kids, G for giraffe. Next H for hand. Next kids, I for ink. Next J for jellyfish. Next K for kite. Next L for lion. Next kids, M for moon. Next N for nuts. Next kids, O for orange. Next kids, P for paper. Next Q for quail. Next kids, R for rabbit. Next S for star. Next kids, T for tiger. Next kids, U for uniform. Next V for vegetable. Next kids, W for water. Next X for X-ray. Next kids, Y for yogurt. Next Z for zoo. Now the numbers counting. Number 1. Next kids, number 2. Next, number 3. Next kids, number 4. Next kids, number 5. Next, number 6. Next kids, number 7. Next, number 8. Next kids, number 9. Next, number 10. 1 0 10. Number 10. What do we learn? We learn A for ant, B for book, C for car, D for dolphin, E for eye, F for fan, G for giraffe, H for hand, I for ink, J for jellyfish, K for kite, L for lion, M for moon, N for nuts, O for orange, P for paper, Q for quail, R for rabbit, S for star, T for tiger, U for uniform, V for vegetable, W for water, X for X-ray, Y for yogurt and Z for zoo. Now the numbers counting. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, Number 9. 1 0 10. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.